Good morning, everyone. Come join me. Would you like some breakfast? Order from me a hobby. Prince Bruce Swain, a breakfast meal. Your breakfast meal, did you make it? I was told a while ago that many were pleased with it. Like a daily routine, we chat, we discuss. Of course, I made myself an omelette with minced beef and, of course, bread. Croutons and stuff, and a little pepper. Here I have noodles. Why not? I sometimes eat noodles for breakfast, like what you'll see next. Hot noodles with vegetables and chicken and lemon. These awesome noodles. Its color is really great, but a little spicy at this shape. Did you stop at it? Oh, look at the forest. Here is our cream. This cream or cream is a solid piece. A wonderful Turkish dish, hummus and bread, and a number like a buttered cake. And here we have bread. Of course, I brought it from the oven, from the bakery, and of course we started sharing this dish with you. This dream is wonderful, wonderful. I attended it. Yes, yes, of course, not daily. This form is delicious. Today, which has become a challenge, I did not eat it. You have seen this meat, this egg with us, egg eyes, its father, this bun, this way, and it's wonderful, this dream. Meat and egg. Its shape is like a dream. Let us try it, and you. No, the coordination is amazing. I always try to reduce the amount of fat in the dough. The fats are visible. He tells me about the eggs. It has a huge amount of meat. Put whatever amount of meat you want. Thank you. What happens to the sale of pizza dough inside, but I did not find it finished? Subscribe to the channel. I am rushing on time behind what I finish. Or I want them for school. I finish my day and make you a mukbang for lunch. But only if I can handle this much challenge. Uh, Uncle is dying until a feather falls on her. Oh my god, a terrifying feather. and the pepper is not this way. He breaks this. Right now. This egg is huge. This historical monument, a monument, the eye of an egg. With meat.
Reality is a vacuum.
Oh, wow. Honestly, noodles left. Didn't you like Lynn's? God bless you. A splendid cardamom tea covers here like a cloud. Please have some. Try it before time runs out and we don't want to miss anything. Wow, the cake has become amazing. Honestly, it's historic. Try the cream. It's amazing on the cream, of course. I mean, it looks similar to green coal, and here we have peach jam. The smell of this shape took us to another world. Raid Karens, anyone? Anyone? Um, wow. How much is it from Jamar? Honestly, it's true. With animal instincts, always agree that boryuk is something desirable, whether it's moon or sweet food. You have tea, but no. I don't know a cake if I want it to be good white, but when the cake is overcooked, the white goes to waste. It means a hobby. You will go, at least I tell you what you will go for. Cholesterol decreases in it. The cake milk means we need in the winter with animal operations. I mean longing. Your dinner with you, a moment. Bury me, Ishaq al-Khayamara. He will cover it with a saucepan. There is a new one here tonight. Oh, a saucepan. Come on, Abu Talib, subscribe to the channel. Let's see your reaction. Let's see your reaction. This is my reaction. Don't be late. At least an hour. They want to play dumb. Subscribe to the channel. The Ryoga's obligation is very excessive. If I go too far, I could face a setback. Very excessive. Amazing tea. I'm going to enjoy this until you subscribe to the channel. And I wish you a happy day. Good morning. Thank you for watching.